guys, it's Beauty with Anna. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of my Boxycharm for the month of August. If you're interested in knowing what I got in my box this month, make sure to keep on watching. And while you're here, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and leave a comment down below the future videos you would like to see. So yeah, without further ado, let's see what I got in my Boxycharm this month. It's August 9th. I got home and it was here. So I'm just gonna open this. It looks like this month we got Life of the Party theme. Let's see a lot of stuff in here. So the first thing that I see is this Becca First Light Primer Filter. So this is how it looks like. I always have trouble when I get my nails done opening stuff. So I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of this on the back of my hand so I can show you how it looks. So whenever you first squeeze this out, it comes out lavender. Once you start mixing it in, it looks clear, but when I look at my hand, it smells like something. I don't know what it smells like, but it does have a scent to it. It's not bad. Like, in my opinion, I like it. So I do see it like a little shiny, and it does feel soft and smooth on my hand. So I don't know, I would really have to try this out like throughout the day with my foundation and see what I think of it. Next thing I see in here is this vitamin E cuticle oil. So it's from NC LA, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Comes with a little dropper. I honestly wouldn't use this myself, but now that I have it, I guess, I mean, I wouldn't pick this up myself, but now that I have it, I guess I could use it. Next thing I see is this Bang Beauty. So the box is a little damaged down here. Hopefully the product is good. This is in the shade Chocolate. Oh, it's a gel eyeliner. It's a brown gel eyeliner, which is good because I don't have a brown eyeliner. And lately, ever since we got the black one in Boxycharm, I've been liking the gel liners. I'm gonna swatch this for you guys so you guys can see how the shade looks like. I'm not really gonna see how I like it or how it wears until I obviously wear it throughout the day. This is the shade Chocolate, so I'm sure I'll get some use out of this. Next thing I see in here is this Smashbox liquid pigment in the shade Crush It. This is how it looks. This looks like it's super vibrant. This is how the one looks like. This is the shade, like I said, that I got. This is a little bit too bright for me. Maybe I'll wear it, maybe I won't. The Laura Party Animal palette. Oh wow, that's pretty. This is how it looks like. When I first opened it, this pink shade right here caught my attention because it's glittery. I don't do pretty swatches, but this is the swatch of the palette. I did build up a couple of them, but these two were like first swatches. These two are intense. The colors look really pretty. Last thing I see in here are this Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Golden Eye Masks. So you get 3 of the eye masks. This is what they look like. We've got a total of 6 items in this box, and if we add everything up, the whole box retails for, give me 1 second. So this box retails for $114. We paid $21, so literally saved $93. So that's what I got for my box in the month of August. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and leave a comment down below as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.